Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu salukwazi endoda lesukhokho bathini mbatha. I said today let's talk about the ocean cleansing. I hear many people criticizing those that goes to the ocean and come with the ocean water with a bit of a salt, a bit of scent, the ocean scent. And people would say, what are you going to do with water that have people bad luck? All the bad luck is on that water because these people were doing the cleansing there, Bashiyama party, and you are taking that to your home or you're going to drink it. And I said today, as I'm here, watching the waves and just observing everything, and I said to myself, maybe I need to do some small clip on that myth behind everything here. Okay, this works this way, Bokoko Nomkhulu. Ocean, when it comes to your bad luck, when you do your cleansing, ocean, it's like an acid. It's like a dangerous acid that gets rid of everything. If you take an acid and you put let's say a finger or a chicken feet inside the acid, what happens to that acid, chicken feet? It disappears. It gets burned and swallowed by the acid. If you take an acid and you put blood inside the acid, they say the acid, it's a crystal clear color of the acid. Then you put your blood, your human blood, let's use a human blood. Maybe let's say a half cup of the human blood you put there inside. What will happen to that crystal clear acid? It will remain crystal clear after it has got rid of that blood or the chicken feet. So the same happens on the ocean, on the beach, when it comes to our bad luck that we come to do the cleansing on this water, on this biggest path on earth. Our demons, our bad spirit, our bad luck, it disappears. It gets washed out. So it is not like a soap whereby the water will change into a different color because of how dirty was your laundry. No. Here it's a totally different case. It disappears all together. So next time when you go to the beach, if you feel like taking water home with you or whatever, feel free to do that. There is nothing wrong with that water. You are not taking any bad spirit home. You are not taking any bad vibes home. But however, you are taking the spirit of the ocean itself. It can do an amazing home cleansing. This water, if you take them home and you just flush it all over the yard, there will be a difference. Let's say you are struggling from sleeping, or you suspect that your business is not doing well, what could be happening, or you are moving to a new place and you don't know what to do. You don't have contact numbers of Gogo Batini or whoever Gogo that you go to. You don't know what to do. You are moving to the new place. You are at this city. There's an ocean net near there, or you have an access to ocean water. Just get ocean water. Do the cleansing. Just bath the house. Just get rid of everything. It will get rid of everything in the house. You are going for a job interview in Durban, in Cape Town, in Port Elizabeth, wherever there is a beach in Cape Town. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. You are nervous. You don't know what to do. I'm telling you, at night bath with your normal water. In the morning, start by the ocean. It will get rid of things that other people have used to suppress you. If you do a home cleansing, it will also assist you in your home. It will make sure with your home is renewed. That flat that you are moving in, whatever that you are doing. Let's say you want to partner the communication with your ancestors, the ancestral prayer, and you are on a holiday. You want to go there and you still want to continue, or you decided to go on a holiday because you need a personalized time for you and your ancestors. Use the water from the ocean to do the cleansing of that hotel room. Remember the video I've done with water and salt. I was doing, or rather calling, the spirit of the ocean to that environment I was in. I remember very well, I was in Limpopo. That was about 3 or 4 years ago. So guys, don't be fooled by other people who do not know what they are talking about. Just because of they don't want to take the ocean water home, then they will criticize and they will talk all the wrong things about ocean water. This is the cleanest, purified, spiritual water you can ever find in the world. This one. You can never make this water dirty. Forget it. It is, there's no way, it is impossible, it is highly impossible that your bad luck will remain in this water and affect another person. It's just a myth. It's something that do not happen. If you don't like ocean water, you don't like ocean water. It must end there. Not that you must go around criticizing the ocean water. Hey, the next thing, where you're going to take out the bad spirits, you take the same water home with you. That water remains clean. Remains clean at all given times. No matter what, no matter how, and what I'm talking about, it's a fact. You can go and argue with people who don't know the power of water, who have never done a research that how spirited is this water, how genuine is this water, and most importantly, how alive is this water. Koko, what do you mean this water is alive? This water is alive and talking. This water is alive and talking and doing the work every day, every second, every inch of the second. This water is communicating, it's doing the cleaning, it's doing everything. Whether there's somebody here or not, this water remain refreshed by each of a second. So there's no way that you can get bad luck here. Never. So if you don't believe, or rather as well, you feel that Muti is no longer working for you. Hey Koko man, I used to have Muti, man. Koko, Muti used to work for me. Koko, I used to do this, Koko, I used to do that. Hey Koko, I don't know what's happening. Go to the ocean. Before you go for consultation with your traditional healer, go to the ocean first. Take some coins. Just coins. Just, it doesn't matter what number of coins. Just coins, and just throw it into the ocean. Nigela. Just give it to your ancestors. Just talk to the water. Just doing the talking. Just go and talk to the water, because this is where your ancestors are. When we say our ancestors, they are not in the graves, where is their spirit? It's here. This is where you meet your ancestors. However, not any ancestor, only the ancestors that have the best interest in you, the ancestors that have done the cleansing, ancestors that have done good when they were still alive, ancestors that have changed, ancestors that they know what's best. So here, I don't know how can I explain this, guys. I can do a video for hours explaining how alive this water is, how healthy this water is. Even if unenyongo that you feel, man, there's something, man, that is wrong inside you, just drink this water and you'll tell me what's going to happen. Just spade with this water and you'll tell me what's happening. If you've got even sexual problems as a man, just use this water. You'll tell me what's wrong. with you after you have used this water. Thokozani, Salukazi Sendoda, Olwandle.